Welcome to Things to Think About When Replacing Your Windows and Doors. At High End Impact Windows and Doors, our mission is to provide you with insight into South Florida's impact window and door industry and to equip you with the knowledge you need to purchase the right products with confidence. South Florida's construction market has a reputation for being difficult to navigate, with widespread inconsistencies and misleading practices. To help you make more informed decisions, here are a couple key factors to consider when selecting a company. First and foremost, do your research. Look for things like how long the company has been in business. Do they have a showroom? Do they have a website? Do they use subcontractors? And what is their Google review and Better Business Bureau rating? Typically, higher is always better, but be conscious of inflated ratings with numerous reviews that can skew the actual quality the company provides. In this case, focus on the negative reviews to gauge what the company's main issues are. Second factor to consider when replacing your windows and doors, be wary of sales tactics promoting free installation and buy one window, get one free. The truth is, those offers don't exist the way they sound. In the impact window and door world, too good to be true often means corners are being cut, and the cost for those specials will impact the overall quality of your job. Always compare multiple companies before deciding. While South Florida is full of window and door companies, the level of craftsmanship and high quality standards differ greatly. Replacing impact windows and doors is a process that takes time when done correctly. Please contact High End Impact Windows and Doors for more information on starting your project with unmatched quality and craftsmanship and a seamless customer experience.